Ever found yourself wishing you could just slot some structured data into your Trello board? Like really structured with rows and columns, not just lists and cards? You're staring at your screen, maybe trying to track project tasks with due dates, assignees, and statuses, and you think, man, a simple table would be a lifesaver right now. Well, you're not alone. Trello is fantastic for visual task management, for moving things through workflows, and for that satisfying drag-and-drop feeling. But when it comes to presenting information in a clear, tabular format, it can sometimes feel like you're trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. So, let's get straight to the burning question. Can you directly create a table inside of Trello, the way you might in a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Excel? The short answer, unfortunately, is no. As of my last update, Trello doesn't have a built-in feature that allows you to create and display data in a traditional row and column table format directly within a board. You can't just click a button and poof, a grid appears where you can type in your data. Now, before you click away in disappointment, hold on a second. Just because Trello doesn't have a dedicated table feature doesn't mean you're completely out of luck when it comes to organizing information in a more structured way. In fact, the Trello community and the platform itself have come up with some clever workarounds and integrations that can help you achieve a similar result. Think of it like this. Trello gives you the building blocks of lists, cards, custom fields, labels, and it's up to you to arrange them in a way that mimics the structure you need. It's like being given Lego bricks instead of a pre-built model. You might have to get a little creative, but you can still build something pretty functional. So, let's explore some of these creative solutions and workarounds that will allow you to bring a touch of tabular organization to your Trello workflow. 1. Leveraging custom fields for structured data. Trello's custom fields are your best friend when it comes to adding structured data to your cards. While they don't present as a table themselves, they allow you to define specific data points for each card in a consistent format. Imagine you're tracking blog post progress. You might create custom fields for due date, a date field, assigned to a drop-down or text field for the author. Status, a drop-down with options like drafting, review, published. Word count, a number field. Once you've set up these custom fields, they appear on the back of each card. While this isn't a table view, it allows you to consistently capture and display key information for each task or item. The real power comes in how you can view and filter this data. Trello's built-in filters allow you to sort cards based on the values in your custom fields. For example, you could filter to see all blog posts assigned to a specific author or all posts with a drafting status. Furthermore, Power UPS, which we'll get to in more detail later, can enhance how you interact with and visualize this custom field data, sometimes even presenting it in a more table-like format. 2. Using labels to represent categories. While not as granular as custom fields, labels can be used to represent broader categories of information that could appear as columns in a table. For instance, if you're managing a content calendar, you could use labels for content type, e.g., blog post, video, social media, topic, e.g., marketing, sales, product update, or priority, e.g., high, medium, low. You can then visually scan your board and see how many cards fall into each category. While this doesn't give you specific data points within each category, it provides a visual overview that can be helpful. You can also filter by labels to focus on specific categories. 3. The power of Power UPS, table-like views and integrations. This is where things get really interesting. Trello's Power UPS are integrations with other apps and services that extend the functionality of your boards. Several Power UPS are specifically designed to bring table-like views or integrate with spreadsheet software. Here are a few examples. Spreadsheet Power UPS, e.g. Google Sheets. Excel. These Power UPS allow you to link your Trello board to an external spreadsheet. You can often see a summary of the spreadsheet data within Trello or even embed the sheet directly into a card. While the table itself isn't in Trello, it's easily accessible and can be linked to your Trello workflow. Changes in one platform can sometimes be synced with the other, depending on the specific power-up. Dedicated Table View Power UPS. Some Power UPS are built specifically to display your Trello card data in a table format. These Power UPS often pull information from your card titles, descriptions, custom fields, and due dates and present it in a customizable grid. This can provide a much clearer overview of your project data than just looking at the standard board view. Examples of these types of Power UPS include Table View by Placker or similar options you can find in the Trello Power-Up directory. These often allow you to sort, filter, and even edit data directly within the table view. List Layout Power UPS. While not strictly tables, some Power UPS offer alternative list layouts that can present information in a more structured, row-like fashion, making it easier to compare information across cards. To explore Power UPS, simply open your Trello board menu, navigate to Power UPS, and browse the available options. Search for keywords like table, spreadsheet, or list view to find relevant integrations. Keep in mind that some Power UPS are free, while others require a subscription. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.